The most recognizable reflection points I gathered when developing my prompts and implementing them into Grasshopper was on how prompting could really change the amount of workload time taken from making hard scripts if the creator has an attention to detail, explanations, and good understanding of how they would want to specifically approach making their designs. So this felt different from making nodes in Bemby 1012, where each component is being laid out and errors are easier to debug step by step. I would say fixing the problems is a much faster process in Grasshopper rather than prompting. But Grasshopper scripting does require deeper knowledge of components and more backend skill, hence why it's probably easier to fix things. So for more complex node scripts, I will opt to use prompting if I know what and how I'm making my shape. I emphasize on this heavily because my prompting improved a lot by me going through different ways the node shape could be made by just looking at Rhino and going through the varying layers and main points and just seeing how these inputs can be used with each other to make the desired geometry. But also, one thing I knew was that prompting the AI to create geometries for Grasshopper using Python wasn't as easy as it seemed and will always come with its errors. Some initial errors I had just came from simple prompting mistakes, like missing input details led to incorrect outputs. For example, I once forgot to specify input types, causing AI to misinterpret branch lengths as meshes. So in conclusion, I recognized it's a very iterative process that comes with a lot of debugging and of course improvement in clarity of the prompt and explanation of geometry creation.